Wow, this looks well cool. Oh yeah, I probably would have died.
Goodbye, San Peleo. Because we're off to Ainsa. Oh yeah, baby.
Hopefully this doesn't just go down the tiniest bit then up again. Nice little wall up there. Just cruise it. Oh, the pedal. Where's the downhill, bro? I guess we have to go this way. Whoa. God, we've got a proper XC mode. Drop us up as well. Oh. No, we just go straight down, pretty sure. Whoa! All straight across. Chevy, yeah. Class. Whoa. God, she's bumpy. Oh, what a place. Beat the run. Don't worry. Oh, this place is just so good. Got scared. There was a spiky rock in the way. Trying to get the inside. Oh. Ah. Bloody hell. A forearm put, man. Carry on. Oh, she's rocky. Oh. Oh my god! Don't want to be going down there. Damn, so good. Just my arms can't keep up today. Oh. Brakes don't feel quite as good when they normally are. Probably just been heavily used on this trip. Where are we going? This way. But yeah, this is a gnarly route. Cruise onto this corner so I can see the track. Oh, not too bad. Yeah, I like this. I like it a lot. It's a warm day, boys. And look, cruise. Oh. Great cornering technique, Max. Now where does it go? Okay, so we've given up with the EWS. Yeah, because it's going to be like 45k. I'm 10k in and I'm knackered. Still tired from the Exped and the Pecos. So we're going to hit this blue quickly and then go find some other trails. Damn. Oh, that smelled fresh to the face. Oh my god, that's not off-putting. Bloody hell, this one's tight with some steep drops, eh? Don't want to end up down there. Ah. Jesus. Blue, eh? Coming back for the Partway Express, baby. Let's see if we can actually get started on these rocks, because a little bit awkward. There we go. And here we go. There we go. Ooh, already a bit rocky. Oh god, we can go over there. Just gonna cruise. Oh. Oh. Can you tell this is an EWS stage? From the fucking uphills. Oh, bit tiring. Yeah, mid-trail snack has been complete. It's also quite nice. There's no flies. Bet they get swarmed by them. I wanted to make sure that wasn't just going to be like into the oblivion, because that could have been a bit nasty. Oh, getting hit in the face with flies. Okay, which way? We're gonna go this way. It's then the Partway Express. Yeah. Cutting out the corner. Oh, that's there. Oh mate, hills man. Back on the downhill. Yeah. Oh. Oh, just getting gnarly. Wow. What? Whew. Jesus, that was good. Let's do this. Woo! She's slidey. That was a bit. Cruising. I saw the danger sign and we're like, ah, danger. Oh, getting a bit rowdy, mate. Hands are feeling it as well. What? Wow. These are so fun. Carry on. Oh, hill climb. I'm not changing gear, I refuse. Scooter. Oh, rest the hands. Oh, Ainsa, what a place. Oh, the flowers are doing me head in. Nearly finished. Gonna go back to the campsite. Chill out. Oh. Danger, peligro. Wow, this looks well cool. Oh, squeaky bottom bracket coming into play. Oh, did not expect that. Oh, what a cool trail. Oh, I can see where that can go wrong. Oh, yeah, if I had been going any quicker and not stopped, I would have been a big drop. Big drop, baby. Oh yeah, I probably would have died. Bloody hell, the vote said no climbing in it. It's the only reason I came for it, to be fair. The blind summit. They are pretty cool though. Oh, what a trail. Unreal.